Do you think sunglasses are more about fashion or protection?
I think it depends. To some people, it's about the fashion, and some might find it quite useful for their protection also. In my opinion, I think mostly it's because of protection, for protection from sun, the air pollution, or some also have eye issues like me. They like to wear protected glass, and for those people who want to use the sunglass for fashion, they have their own reasons also, like to look cool or fashionable. They try to they use the sunglass.
Okay. Next question. Are you spending a lot of money on sunglasses? Why or why not?
Actually, no, I don't spend a lot of money for sunglasses. As I have already said, I have to use the powered one, so I tend to buy a good sunglass once in a while at a good amount of money, which can support me for a long time, as I won't be use it in a blue moon, once in a blue moon.
Okay, nice. Is it easier to teach children or adults and why?
I think it's easier to teach the children than the adults. The childrens are like a clay. You can shape them as you want, and they can be motivated or can be manipulated. I won't say the word manipulate. It's in a good way that they can be shaped as you want. But on the other hand, the adults, they have already some thoughts or some senses in them, which changing those thoughts are a bit difficult than children. So that's why I think that the teaching children is a bit easier.
Okay, great. Do you think everyone can be taught, or are some people difficult to teach?
I definitely agree with the statement that some people are difficult to teach, and not everyone can take the learning from everything. If I must say an example, then I would like to say about the mass population. Often you can aware everyone, you can say different new things to acknowledge, gain the knowledge to everyone, but receiving the knowledge and practicing is far away. So that's why the knowledge level of a country or the knowledge level of a population, if you measure that, it's always high, but the attitude and practices towards the lesson is always quite below the mark.
Okay, next question. How has technology changed the way people teach and learn?
Technology has a very significant effect on the teaching and learning procedure. For instance, in our in early days, the teaching was all in the physical, all was made it in the physical presence. But nowadays we can have the learning from virtual, different virtual platforms, and it's also indirectly virtual platforms or direct platforms like YouTube. I can learn something from YouTube also, and at the same time, if I want, uh, I can have a one-to-one conversation or learning from a distant teacher who can be anywhere in the world. So this has done quite a few. This has quite a few benefits also. I must say, like this minimizes the cost of, like, it's cost effective, it's time effective, and at the same time we can learn a lot of things at the same time. And the physical learning also have some positive positive aspects also, like the beneficial, the people who are reluctant or lazy, they often feel under the cloud, they feel their head is over the cloud when do something on the online. For those people, physical training or physical physical presence classes are more likely to be the best.
Okay, the last question: should teaching skills be valued more in society?
Definitely, teachers are there's a proverb going that teachers are the backbone of a country. So if we can value the teacher, we can shape our future in a great way. If we don't value them, they won't feel the encouragement to teach or build our society that much. We have the history that previously in our country or in any other country in the world, teachers were a great inspiration to their students. But nowadays the student and teachers and their gaps are becoming greater day by day. So we have to value their profession to have a better nation.
ওকে আপু, ভেরি গুড, অনেক ভালো হয়েছে মাশাল্লাহ। আপনি শুধু শুধু ভয় পান, ভয় পাওয়ার কিছু নেই, আল্লাহ ভরসা ইনশাল্লাহ ভালো হবে।